Hey there, accounting aficionados! Welcome back to our channel where we make accounting fun and easy. Today we're diving into the world of credits in QuickBooks Online, and that is how to give customers credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Trust me when I say you won't want to miss what's coming up. But first things first, make sure that you are logged into your QuickBooks account. And if you're not in QuickBooks Kingdom yet, you can unlock your account by signing up on the QuickBooks website. It's easy, it's simple, and it's fast. Now, let's roll. So, before we begin, offering credit memo to loyal customers can strengthen your business relationships. It encourages them to continue doing business with you, right? So, fostering long term customer loyalty can increase sales. It boosts sales by allowing customers to make purchases even when they don't have immediate funds available. This can lead to larger and more frequent orders. And sometimes offering credit can set your business apart from competitors who do not provide this option. It can attract new customers who prefer the flexibility of credit purchases. And then, while giving credit means delayed revenue, but somehow in the long run, it can manage effectively using QuickBooks Online. You can track outstanding balances and set payment terms to ensure a steady cash flow. Now, with that being said, all we gotta do is if you are using the version that I have and you can't see the credit memo, all you gotta do is go to the search button here and type in credit memo. And just like that, you are given the information that you have to fill in. It's all of it can be customizable. You can put the customer name here. Let's say the customer name is, let's say YouTube. Let's say tutorial, QBO, and memo, credit. Gonna just type in some information here, like the email address, phone number, the company name. Let's say in this instance, let's say I'm not sure if it would accept a dummy email address, but for now, let's check. Yada yada. All right, so it gives you the options to link your invoice. Would it be all dates, this month, September, last month, or you can actually do a custom date range and the start date and the end date. So these are the duration, but we're not going to dive deep on that. So let's say save and send. Something's not quite right. Probably, but all of this information, like the product and services, like in our related videos, all of these are customizable. Like for the product services, you can put whatever information that you want for the description, for the quantity, amount, and the tax rate, and a simple note to the person that you're intended to send to, or the company or the party, the intended party or the recipient, and some supplemental info where you can attach and be mindful that they only accept 20 MB as a file limit, and save and send just like that. There you have it, guys. Once again, you've successfully given a customer credit in QuickBooks Online. If you ask me and other user, it's a handy feature for managing customer accounts and maintaining accurate records. So once again, if you find this tutorial very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more QuickBooks and accounting tips. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. I read all of them, right? Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.